Apex News, India, Northeast.
Kublai Pibro, Kanega Apex News India, Kikubaran Puli, the Piba Corridor Marbo. Doing the Pashwa Shekimat Kibakongsan. Kibabanya Kipulet jangka East Khasi Hills kila kentat ye kijing keno le bam sinyo persya ye kipulet kanong ba shilong kibab sapriang haki social media. Superintendent of Police jangka East Khasi Hills uraklan ha kijing yalang bat kilat pathai kubor ha kasni pale halor kawe ka video YouTube kabala upload da ubrio ubala itho kum ukaren gwala FX pan Hakatay ka video lakano baki pulit kila berngem ya kinong syong kali. Ula kren daki kitin klem akor bad ula dawa pisa khatsan hajar kum ka jingyo pisa bian. USB ula pentip baka jing token kalalap baki jing keno kilong ki bam dan nongrem kiba yalam bakla. Daka bakentu ikipat ba bakim day banget ya ki jing keno bampat penshisha kibala sapriang haki social media.
Viral yesterday, the 12th of January 2026, and following this video an inquiry was made and the following facts were ascertained. The individual was identified today as Reganson Kharlor, 35 years. He is a home guard volunteer posted at Maranting Traffic Branch, and on the 26th of December 2025 at about 9:35 a.m. he was on clamping duty in Maranting sector, and at that particular time he was near Saulat. The vehicle which these occupants were travelling in was a white Maruti 800 bearing registration number AS01F1460, and this was proceeding towards Happy Valley, and while driving past him it almost dashed him. This home guard volunteer then gave chase on foot and also took right from the scooty of a passerby and intercepted the vehicle at Happy Valley Bazaar. He got inside the Maruti 800, and thereafter all these abuses were hurled at the occupants. He had threatened them and initially had asked for 1 lakh, and after constant pleading by the occupants, the amount was actually had come down to rupees 15,000, and 2 of the occupants of the vehicle had gone to the ATM at Maranting Bazaar, and 15,000 was paid to him. This was not reported to the traffic branch, the in charge of Maranting Traffic Branch, nor to the staff of Maranting Traffic Branch, and this had only come to light when this video was circulated yesterday. Following this inquiry, a sumoto case has been taken up by Maranting PS 8126 under the sections of 308(5), which pertains to extortion, 351 for intimidation, and 352 for abusive language of the Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita. And the home guard has been arrested today, and he has been removed from all duties in the district and shall be produced before court today. The victims have been contacted and they will be appearing before the police for recording of statement, and investigation will proceed to ensure that we charge sheet the case at the earliest.
Union Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw ulapan bana baka jingya di ticket nakabenta ka Mumbai Ahmedabad High Speed Rail Corridor kansdang hakasni latlut Independence Day jong usnam arhajar arpunyo. Kani ka corridor ka bajrong kumba sans pa pra kilometer kan penyeso ya ka Bandra Kurla Complex ha Mumbai bat Sabarmati ha Ahmedabad da ka bayat lengba ki jilla Maharashtra, Gujarat, Dadra bat Nagar Haveli. Lashna da ka ba Pindon kam da ka Shinkansen Technology jong ke Japan. Kini kiril kinyat ha ka Jingsted ka ba hadu laispa arpho kilometer ha ka Shikenta. Ka ba Pinduna ya ka Poryat ha Padeng ka Mumbai bat Ahmedabad sha ka Arganta.
प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी का जो विजन है मुंबई से अहमदाबाद को बुलेट ट्रेन से जोड़ के एक देश में नई मिसाल कायम करने का, ये आपके सहयोग के कारण ही आज इतना संभव हो पाया है कि 270 किलोमीटर 270 किलोमीटर्स काम प्रैक्टिकली कंप्लीट हो गया है और 2026 में पहली बुलेट सूरत से बिलीमोरा के बीच में चलने की पूरी तैयारी है. I'll also request all the participants to take some time out and visit the stall where at scale bullet train has been installed. Because the bullet train project is going on at a very rapid pace.
Ka Supreme Court ka laong bakan batha ya ki jilla bakin siyo ya ka jingya rapisa ka bakraw na ka benta ka jingja shadat kso dogfight incident badru banshim jingkit klie ya ki try jongki kso ka bench ka bakan thop ya ki nong bishar Vikramnath Sandeep Mehta bat NV Anjaria ki lapan pau ya ka jing smokhya halor ka jing bom pentrekam ya ki kendon ban te lakam ya ki marachno ha ki sansnem balale kaying bishar ka kali ya ka jing sngo sen a kabala pen I shaki marat kala letru shaki brio kaying bishar kadang bishar ya ki jing ujor ban pen kala ya ka hukum jongka ha ubanai nai wing 8,000 apusan kabala batha ya ki bor penyat bakin weng no ya ki marat shnong na ki surak ban na ki jaka jinge trailang Umentri ka Sarkar Padeng Ukiran Rijiju ulapan pau baki jat benriu red pa jongkari India ki kenthop ya ki Muslim ki Sikh ki Christian ki Buddhist ki Jain bat ki Parsis Henry ulakado baki donru ki briu ki bam diade bat kanu na kini ki jat benriu ula banjur bakari India kumkari ka babon patba tam ha ka perthai ka don ya ki jing ya pher jing ithu ne jing ya dei patba ba pher bun sien Kim yo jing tip ne yo I Henry tang ha ka jing ya kren patba
कहते हैं या मुसलमान नहीं कहते या सिख या ईसाई बौद्ध जैन पारसी नहीं कहते, ऐसा भी बौद्ध है, लेकिन अक्सर लोगों के जहन में ये बात नहीं आती है. बहुत बड़ा मुल्क है हिंदुस्तान और आप समझ लीजिए दुनिया का सबसे ज्यादा आबादी वाला मुल्क है. ये कोई मामूली नहीं है, ये छोटा मोटा नहीं है. अमेरिका में अपने आप को सोचते हैं कि बहुत बड़ा देश है, 33 करोड़ आबादी है अमेरिका का, और वो सोचते हैं कि अमेरिका ही सब कुछ है दुनिया में. जो पता चलता है कि हमारा तो 140 करोड़ से भी ज्यादा है, वो सोचते रह जाते हैं कि हिंदुस्तान को चलाता कैसे है इतना बड़ा मुल्क. हमारा मुल्क का खूबसूरती यही है कि हजारों सालों से ये मुल्क चल रहा है और आगे भी चलते रहेगा. अलग अलग मजहब के धर्म के हम सब मिलकर के आगे चलते रहेंगे. तो इतना बड़ा मुल्क में अलग अलग समुदाय के बीच में हम लोगों का कुछ जिम्मेदारी है. हम भारत सरकार में काम करते हैं. हमारे लिए कोई धर्म, कोई जात विशेष कोई अलग से दिमाग में नहीं आता है. हमारे लिए सारे धर्म, सारे मजहब, सारा जात, सब लोग जो भारत के नागरिक हैं हमारे लिए सब बराबर है. हमको कोई बांटने का कोशिश करेंगे तो अफसोस की बात है कि कुछ लोग उस बांटने का जो कोशिश होते हैं उसमें कुछ लोग फंस जाते हैं, लेकिन समझदारी से जो लोग काम करते हैं वो फंसते नहीं हैं. मैं जिस पार्टी से आता हूं, भारतीय जनता पार्टी, हम लोगों के खिलाफ ये अभियान चलाया गया है कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी जो है क्या ये अल्पसंख्यक समुदाय के खिलाफ है? मुसलमानों के खिलाफ, ईसाई के खिलाफ, सिखों के खिलाफ। लेकिन आप गौर करेंगे, अभी ब्रजेश जी ने, हमारे डिप्टी सीएम साहब ने जो बताया, बहुत अच्छा बताया।
Hakarai ka bakong sanbha kaying bishar bah khledu kalarai bakinong tre kontrak kimla bandawa ya kajing siu bamar kadjo bat kajing mentoy na kajing syakri kapa yaringkat bat kinong tre baman kasi nepura kaying bishar kalapin scam ya kinong rim jong kajing long kabashai bat kajing penrung kam katkum kajing la katba la ai jingot ya kinong ai kam bakin shim ya kilat jingerap daka jing snowsen ay nakabenta ki nongtre contractual ki baladon slam hakakam. Kani karay kalapin kala ya kahukum jong ka Hyderabad High Court nadu jong usnam 8,000 khatra kabala ay ya ka jing yo tulop kabayaran kat siya ki nongtre contractual. Ka Supreme Court kalaong baka jing penrung ya ki khna ki baduk siya ki jaka puli de ban pet kum ka jing yale mission jong kari ne national mission. Kaying bishar kalabatha yaki bor bakin thao yaki kindon ban pentrik kam yaki jaka balabu kerpang kat kum ka anhok ban yo yaki jinghikai balabu benta hapo ka Right to Education Act. Kalas ngab yaki jing kerpat kabayadei bat ka jing baki yakendu haka jing persyang ban yo rung hapo ka arpusan pesen na ka quarter baladon haki school bashimen klem don ka jingirap na ka sorkar bat ki school bamdei ki minority. Kisipay durew jongkari India kilakhot yaki application nakabenta ka 10+2 BTEC cadet entry scheme nakabenta ka permanent commission. Kidon baro sa pusaw tali kikam balalat nakabenta ka executive but technical branch. Kani ka jinghikay kan zdang ha ukalalingkot arhajar apunrew ha Indian Naval Academy. Katarik bakhaddu kan pa yaki application kalong haka kakhanday trik ukalalingkot arhajar apunrew. UMP ka Congress natura usaleng sangma ula banjur ya ka jing don kam ban penklan ya ka jing pahra hasilenter ka kaput India Bangladesh ka ba jiliubha ula maham ba ki jing ya dei ki ba jinjar bat ka Bangladesh ka jing kno ba wanrung bian ka bu jing ma ka bakra ya ka Meghalaya bat ka jing ya dari usang ma ula kentu ya ki bor senchar bakim dei ban shimsting ya ka tei kamat da kabakado bakan la ban mi nakajingma kabajangan.
Yeah, this going to Garo Hills, distributing materials, and then promising lots of programs, development. These things was not much done before, but it seems like this time they are more active, proactive, you can see. For every school, to every school, and then to every colony, they are trying to visit and then trying to connect with the people, which is sometimes good. But when Chief Minister himself is going, that means all development is going with himself, because he's the ultimate and the final actually to take decision. If when the Chief Minister is visiting any colony or any constituency, development should be there. But if he just making a false promises out there, trying to give this and that, it's a wrong on the part to make the false statement or a false promises to the people. Okay, because chief ministers, whenever chief minister goes to any constituency or any colony, he takes along with him all the department. So he should not just take a question and answer from the people. He should give directly to the people. Okay, any development pertaining to any issues complained by the people. But I could see 2-3 area where he's just hearing and said, "Oh, later on I'll do it," which is totally wrong. on the part of the chief minister, he should not say those things. He should say that, okay, I will do it. Okay, he should not just see that those things. He should.
Ka East Khasi Hills Local Taxi Welfare Association kala persya ya ka jingtmu jong katana transport ban bu ban penyat ya ki tracking device ban bot dia ni ki kali kamai habaro ka we ka jela Meghalaya. Haka jingelam jong president u Wandon Bok Jirwa kani ka seng kala let ya kendu ya u transport commissioner u Ashish M Sangma da ka bakdo halor ka jing e hakaliang ka yo ka kot bat ka jing bamshai haka jing pentrekam. Kaseng kala dawa ban pelat yaki taxi bat ki bos ki batrekam hakathan. Haga jila Arunachal Pradesh, Habasar District, ka Spearhead Division jong ka Indian Army, kabadon hapo ka Spear Corps, kilayo ban saystat ya kawe ka kalipat ba kabahab hadu 1,000 meter chapo ka jaka ka bajrong. Ka bolero pickup vehicles kalala bandon ka jingja accident. Henry Omsyam ladon kanu ka jingja ka basnusi, namar balashim kya hakapor kababyang kakunhun balayalam daw officer badrit ka lapendap ya ka jingkhanra da ka jinglong shipay kabatikna kabapenpaw ya ka benta jong ka army kum kinong yarap ba ningkong e kabala banchanya badagi tu kubor nilapoy siya kabakot tahdo benginde syambyang kublay shibun.
Apex News, India, Northeast.